All Keltech heaters include a serial tag. This is a birth certificate of sorts for the unit. It includes model number and serial number, as well as the voltage, the amps, and the kW. If you ever need to contact technical service for assistance, you will need to know that model number and the serial number. This way we can look up the specific heater and options and features associated with it to ensure that you're getting the best service possible. So where do you find the serial tag on a Keltech electric tankless water heater? First, look on the outside of the enclosure in this area. Our CNA and SNA series have it on the outside. Otherwise, all Keltech heaters have a serial tag on the inside of the white back plate. For CNA and SNA, you'll find it in the upper right-hand corner. For all the other models, it'll be in the upper left-hand corner. Remember, the serial tag is important, and knowing where to find it will help our technical service teams identify your specific heater and save you time in the field.